Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do unboxing of all these Chanel Coconut Collection 22N. Before I do unboxing of Chanel item I purchased from Coconut, I want to introduce two brands. One is footwear, the other one is activewear. And these two brands, there's a common thing. So both are made from recycled plastic bottle, which is really like eco-friendly and conscious product. So I really love to introduce you guys eco-friendly conscious fashion items. I'm gonna show you mode shot mix match with all these items, so it's gonna be fun. So let's get started. First brand, the shoe brand I want to introduce to you is Vivaia. They make conscious eco-friendly shoe made of 6 water bottles and hemp. So it's mixed with hemp and 6 plastic water bottle. So it's like really recycling the original plastic and also adding hemp. 6 plastic water bottle is recycled to make one shoe. This is very eco-friendly shoes. Before I take this video, I tried to wear these shoes for 1 week. So comfortable and also stylish. So first shoe is ta-da! So pretty. I love this shoe because it's very lightweight and also it's soft. So usually I have problem here when I wear shoe. I could wear with barefoot. It was so comfortable. And let me show you. See? You can fold it in half. And it's so light and so soft. So this is basically denim flat shoes. Audrey denim blue tassel. When you see close up, there is a tassel, but it's not real tassel. As you can see, it's embroidered and a little bit different color and variation. It's so pretty. You know, tassel can be a little bit difficult to maintain, to clean up. But this one it's embroidered. Love it. So pretty, isn't it? When I wear like flat shoe, I don't like to wear any socks, even during winter time. When I tried with barefoot, this is so comfortable and lightweight. Also, when it's a lightweight, it can be a little bit not durable, right? But this one was so durable. Here, the sole. So I could wear with a jean or any other like casual style. As I know, most of Vivaia's shoes is like waterproof. So when you pour water or when it's a rainy day, it's not gonna get wet easily. And I got another Audrey shoe with another color and there's a different embroidered print. So I'm gonna show you this one as well. And I'm gonna put link and the promo code. There's a promo code 10% off of your purchase. The promo code will be VLOVE in the description box. You can check it out. Ta-da! So this one has cheetah. So pretty. It's connected cheetah like this and black color. They have flat shoes in so many different color and embroidered print, but there are like socks boots, also like ankle boots, so many kinds they have. So you can check it out from their website link using VLOVE 10% off promo code. Shoe care. So this shoe is an eco-friendly shoe since there is like hemp and also recycled plastic bottle. So it says no dry cleaning, dry in shade, don't bleach, cold water wash. So next company, they make mostly activewear. These are also eco-friendly products. This is from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, UAE. So everything is made in UAE. Basically, it's made of recycled material, also like plant-based fiber. So it's really like eco-friendly and sustainable. It's also affordable, conscious product. So I didn't expect about quality because it's just eco-friendly, I thought. But then when I try it on, let me show you one by one. Very basic style, but like perfect for daily outfit. So I highly recommend. When you buy each product, $4 will be donated to charity. So it's a really meaningful purchase, also eco-friendly. So first one is the top t-shirt, but I love this sleeve length. Usually, you know, in LA, During daytime it's hot, but during nighttime it's gonna be windy, a little bit chilly, especially around this time like October, November. So I love to wear something like a little bit longer but not long sleeve, so you don't need to like layer all the time. So this is kind of perfect sleeve length in LA for me. So I chose this t-shirt in 3 colors. I got sponsorship, so I could choose what I want. So this one stretching very well and easy dry, so it's so easy to maintain and wear when you do any exercise. That's why I chose this activewear, and it's also like very fashionable as activewear, so you can just wear even normal day, not just for exercise. That's why I chose this. So I got this color, ivory, blue, and gray color. Material, as I mentioned before, it's a recycled material, but not just recycled. There was spandex, because you can see it's stretchable. Silky soft. I got 3 kinds of bottom to match with these 3 different color but same style top. White color, shorts. So you can see the banding. Oh my god, this is so good. And the thickness is perfect. I love this label. It's a very stylish kind of design. Material, recycled spandex, and organic cotton. Also, I got tennis skirt. I was actually looking for tennis skirt, like skirt. That's why I found this brand. They have all different color. The pants inside. Mostly the tennis skirt is pretty much short, so I don't like it because it shows my thigh too much. So this one was a perfect length. I highly recommend this tennis skirt. So this bottom I can mix match with same color t-shirt or like white color. I'm gonna show you the both shots so you can check. And the last one, this one is a jogger pants in black. I love this one because this is also made of organic cotton, so it's really soft and it's pretty much thick, so it's not like cheap material. You can feel the quality is pretty good. This is kind of my daily style. Jogger pants with white top, it's my style. Matching with this shoe. These are the brand I wanted to introduce to you. Very sustainable, conscious, but you can also feel the quality is good. It's not like cheap quality. So yeah, I wanted to introduce these 2 brands. Now let's get started with Chanel unboxing. In previous video, you could see the Coconut shopping vlog, and from the Coconut collection, I got 2 items. One is ready to wear, and the other one is small leather goods. So I really want to share with you guys. Let me do unboxing one by one. So first one is ready to wear. So I tried so many things, but you know, ski wear was beautiful but kind of pricey as a ski wear. So I decided to get something I can wear like daily. This is a top. Let me open. Ta-da! As you can see, this is a kind of like pullover vest from 22N top. You can wear white long sleeve shirts inside. I wanted to buy something I can wear every day, not like ski wear. Ski wear, I can go for ski wear brand. Chanel make beautiful ski wear as well, but it's really pricey. Any ski jacket is like 10K USA dollar. So I was like not sure I wanna spend that amount of money just for the ski jacket. So I got this one. Price is pretty good compared to other ski wear in Chanel. I love this color, burgundy and green and light pink. So it's a really good combination of color I love. And then you can see all over Chanel CC logo, so pretty. So I'm gonna wear this with pretty much like with jeans. One of these color you can match for the bottom. When you see the Chanel mode shot, you can see the model is wearing like a light pink ski jacket and ski pants. So I think it kind of matches well. There are so many things going on with a print. So you can mix match with something solid color, but one of these color, either it can be green like pants or green skirt, similar to this tone, or like light pink. Also, you can go with a burgundy. The price in USA is $2,200 and made in cashmere. I think compared to other ski wear, this is a good price. I'm gonna match it pretty much like light jean, anything casual style, or like burgundy color coat, winter coat when it's getting cold. So that's how I'm gonna match to wear. The material is cashmere. So this is small leather goods and kind of mini size. Very cute item. So if you watch my previous video, there is a necklace. You can put your like a season pass or like card, like you can use it as a card holder, and it's extendable. I really wanted to get that one, but then it's like almost $2,000. I was like not sure about that, but it's so cute and unique item for the just ski season. So I wanted to buy something I can use daily. That's why I chose this item. It was so cute. There was 3 different colors, so I chose this color. It's very small size. Ta-da! Yes, it's pink color. It's a coin purse, but you can wear on your arm like this. So it's an arm coin purse like this. So when you ski, you can wear like this, and you can put like key, card. When you do sports, you can use. The band is like really extendable. Capskin, I think. 2020 collection. The champagne gold. Very subtle logo you can see. And the price was $2,025. It's a little pricey, yeah, I know, but yeah, it's so pretty, so I couldn't miss this time as well. I think every year, Coconut release this kind of arm coin purse so that you can use when you go skiing, you can wear. Very handy, you can put essential things. Let me open. So simple inside, made in France, you can see. So I love this item for the winter time, also daily. I match kind of pink, so yeah, I love this item. What do you think? So check my description box for both brands, the Vivaia for the shoe and sustainable clothes, the Giving Movement, and there will be link and promo code. So if you are interested, you can purchase through the link using my promo code. Hope you enjoyed my video today, and see you next time. Bye!